The morning sun shone brightly over the quiet neighborhood. Mama Cat stretched on her soft blanket while her two kittens, Max and Mimi, bounced around full of energy. Max meowed excitedly, "Mama, let's go outside. There's so much to explore today." Mimi twitched her ears and purred, "Yeah, can we play with our bikes?" Mama Cat chuckled and gave them gentle licks on their heads. "All right, little ones. But be careful today, we're going to have a new adventure." The kittens' eyes sparkled as they followed Mama Cat to the backyard where two tiny cat-sized bikes were waiting. One was bright red, the other blue, both complete with training wheels. Max hopped on the red bike immediately, wobbling but determined. "I'm ready, Mama. Watch me go." Mimi climbed onto the blue bike, pedaling slowly but steadily. "I can do this too." Mama Cat nudged them forward gently, encouraging their first rides. The kittens giggled and meowed, zooming along the garden path. Their little paws paddled furiously as they learned to steer. After a few minutes, Max shouted, "Look, there's a new road." Mama Cat followed behind as the kittens discovered a section of freshly constructed road near the edge of the farm. Orange cones, small barriers, and dirt piles marked the construction site. Mimi's eyes widened. "Wow, this is like a real adventure." Max raced toward a small ramp, shouting, "I'm going super fast." But as he went over, his bike wobbled dangerously. He nearly tipped over, landing softly in a pile of hay. Mama Cat rushed over and nudged him gently. "Careful, Max. This is not a playground yet." Mimi carefully pedaled around the cones, trying to imitate Max's daring moves. "I can do it safely." They explored the site, weaving between tiny barriers, pretending the cones were villains in a race. The wind ruffled their fur, and their little meows of excitement filled the air. Suddenly, Max's bike hit a loose stone. He tumbled forward, landing on the soft dirt. Mimi gasped and skidded to a stop. "Mama," Max fell. Mama Cat ran quickly, nuzzling him and making sure he wasn't hurt. Max rubbed his paw, looking embarrassed but fine. "I'm okay," he meowed, "but that was scary." Mimi climbed off her bike and hugged her brother. "Don't worry, we'll be careful." Mama Cat surveyed the area, then had an idea. She led the kittens to a safer section of the road, away from loose stones and uneven ground. "This will be our adventure zone. Safe, but still fun." The kittens' eyes lit up. "Yay, adventure zone." For the next hour, Max and Mimi practiced biking under Mama Cat's careful watch. They went over tiny ramps, weaved between cones, and even tried gentle jumps on small dirt mounds. At one point, Mimi's bike slipped near a small puddle. She toppled over, wet and startled. Max ran to help her, but Mama Cat arrived first, nudging her safely away from the water. "See, little ones, adventures are fun, but safety first," she purred. After recovering, the kittens decided to race. Red bike versus blue bike. They started at the old wooden fence and pedaled as fast as they could. Max meowed, "I'm gonna win." Mimi laughed, No way. I'm faster. They sped around, zigzagging through the cones. At one point, Max tried to cut the corner and his wheel caught a small stone. He wobbled, but didn't fall, thanks to Mama Cat's careful guidance. Mimi zoomed past him, victorious. I win. Max laughed. Okay, it's a tie. Mama Cat smiled, watching her little adventurers. The sun was starting to set, casting golden light over the construction site. The kittens were tired, but happy. Their little bikes rested beside them, scuffed and dirty from all the fun. Mama Cat nudged them closer. Good job today. You learned something important. Have fun, but always be careful. Max snuggled into her fur. Thanks, Mama. Today was amazing. Mimi purred softly. Yeah, best adventure ever. As the evening came, they walked back home, tired but proud. Mama Cat knew that the little bikes, the cones, the tiny obstacles, they weren't just play. They were lessons in courage, care, and teamwork. Back at home, the kittens curled up together while Mama Cat cleaned their paws and fur. The bikes stood quietly in the corner, ready for the next adventure. Mama Cat looked at her little family and purred. Tomorrow, maybe we'll explore the big park. The kittens purred in agreement, drifting to sleep with dreams full of biking, racing, and endless adventures.